Hey guys, thanks again for being willing to help with some of these advanced life support concepts. I did get to the patient's room after hearing the code alarm, and Noelle definitely didn't have a pulse. They were definitely in cardiac arrest, and we're going to have to start CPR. I'm going to need your help. I know we were trying to learn about some of these concepts today, so I just wanted to check to see if you all know what the CPR to ventilation ratio is for somebody without an advanced airway. I'm going to try and help you out if you're unsure. I'm going to use Morse code to give you that information, so pay attention. Thanks guys, really appreciate your help.